If you've been wanting to start a cleaning business for some time now, but you haven't and you're not quite sure what it is, this video is for you. If you've been wanting to do it, but you know what it is, you're like, I'm afraid to fail. I'm afraid to look silly. I'm afraid to look stupid. Then this video is for you. If you want to do this and you've been wanting to do it because you know how great the upside could be, it could be an absolute game changer for you. But there is just stuff that you're like, I just don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. And you're overthinking it. This video is also for you. This is an important video for me to make. I'm not putting any edits on it. I just want to talk to you. I just want to feel real. The reason why is because I think back, I think back to the beginning when I started, and I had experience being in the industry, but I had no idea how to grow a business. So a lot of this stuff I had to learn, and it was intimidating, and the person I am today is not the same person I was then. Did I make mistakes? Yeah. Did I look stupid at times? Yeah, yeah. But was it worth it? The answer is absolutely it was worth it. Absolutely. I have a life today that I could not have had previously without my cleaning business. And that's not hype. This isn't meant to be a pep talk. I want to talk to you and I want to simplify things. I want to take your mind that's probably going at like 800 miles per hour and I want to slow it down and just focus on what it's going to take for you to get this thing started, get this thing profitable, and succeed with it. Succeed with it so you can have something that's actually scalable. You can have something that belongs to you, that is going to be with you. It's stable. It's all the things you want it to be. Let's start with this. Let's start with what it actually takes to start. What it takes to start is just doing the legal, getting the legal set up. Let me close this down because I think it's pretty bright. But just get the company legally set up. All right. Go to one of those sites online where you could do an LLC in like 15 minutes. Do that. Get your EIN number. Get the ball rolling. Then the next thing you want to do is just name your company. I have tons of videos on here on what to name your company. Don't do ABC or something like that, or initials. Pick something that's going to speak directly to the client that you actually want. As far as logos, go on Fiverr.com, get a logo. As far as websites, you don't really need one to start. It's a good thing if you have it, but more than anything, there's an easier path that I want you to take because I don't want this being one of a trillion things that gets in your way. What this will look like is I want you to spend all of your energy instead of worrying about what could go wrong. What if I don't know this? What if I don't know that? It's intimidating. It can be, but I want you to focus on just landing your first client. And let's say that's too big for you. Let's say that's too big. Like, no. You had me going. I felt like I was liking this pace, but now you're telling me to go out into the wild and go get a client. Okay. If that's intimidating, then start smaller. Have a couple of conversations. Have a couple of conversations with people who you know. See who they know. See who they know about who could potentially, you could set up a 5-minute conversation with, or even an email thread back and forth to see if this would even make sense. I want you to do this because at this stage, if you're watching a video like this, it means that it's probably not going to happen unless we make this thing so impossibly simple. And that's okay. Overthinking has always been a love language of mine. And that's something that over time, for me to reach new levels of my business, I've had to work that muscle of just being more decisive, making the decision a lot faster. Because I'm telling you right now, there is no money to be made sitting on the sideline being skeptical. Okay? So I'll take this from a movie I used to love when I was a kid. I think it was called Boiler Room, where he's like the only people out there making money passing is quarterbacks. And you are not a quarterback, my friend. I think I botched that. I butchered that. But you know you want to start this business, but you keep passing the buck. Like, oh, let me wait. I'm telling you right now, unless you start something, unless you put that ball in motion a little bit, it's not going to work. But the good news is it's so easy to put the ball in motion. It's like when you're a kid and there's a little plastic boat in the tub with you, and you just and it moves. That's all I want you to do here. I want you to take that action with me. Can you commit to that? Because what's on the other side is great. What's on the other side of that? What's on the other side of you having a conversation with somebody, even if it doesn't turn out to be anything, you see it becomes legitimate. It becomes, wait a minute, I could do this. That's the exciting part. That should get you fired up. It doesn't take much to start, but when you do start, those conversations, you have a few of those, it's going to land to at least one client. And when you have that client and they sign on the dotted line, oh man, you're out of the dream stage. And that's what's important. That if I'm your doctor, if I'm your business doctor, that's my prescription for you. Let's create some simple wins. Let's snowball it into a win that actually brings you money. Because once you do that, confidence steps in. Confidence knocks at the door like an old friend. And it's like, hey, we're doing this. That's how simple it could be. But it starts with a choice. It's a choice. It's something you have to decide on. Because there's so many different entry points to do it. I have a ton of videos. I can give you much more detail in these other videos, but that's not it. Because I think you know how. I do. I think you know how. But if you're caught up on making a mistake, then just lower the stakes. That's just it. I know that rhymes unintentionally, but just lower the stakes of this. Lower it a little bit, right? Don't make it life and death. Don't make it, what is this person going to think? What's that person going to think? Yeah, if you do this grandiose plan and you tell everybody, yeah, that could stink. I'm not going to lie, that could suck. But we're not going to do that. We're going to take a smaller approach. Let's create some W's this week. There's so many things you can do. You can join my free school community. I can list that below. I have free materials in there. My YouTube videos, you don't have to do that. You can go through my YouTube videos on marketing. I could show you how to get your first client. The idea is get the ball rolling. Even something as simple as setting up your logo, naming your company, creating 3 different names. Any of those things can put you in motion. And I know you said this was going to be your year, right? You're like, this is the year I really build something. This is the year I step out there. But then something innocent gets in the way of like, oh, I didn't think I'd be doing this at work, or just I'm being pulled in so many different directions. But guess what? That's never going to go away. And you know that. I know that in my own life. It's never going to be convenient to start a business. So I don't say this to give you a fake pep talk. It's not my goal. I'm not like, oh yeah, let me give you some fake motivation. No, I want you to create some action, create some motion. You do that. You get that first client. Well, you're not going to be stopped. But if you're someone who's just like, yeah, Mike, I understand that, but I really feeling like I need my hand held. I really need X, Y, and Z laid out. So I just don't want to make mistakes. I don't have time to waste money and make mistakes. Well, then book a call. Click the first link in the description. Talk with my team. You have nothing to lose. See how we can help you get there. We'll help you map everything out. See if it makes sense to work together. But if it doesn't make sense, or that's not for you at this moment, that's okay too. Watch this video right here. I'll go into deeper detail on how you can get this ball rolling, because the name of the game is not building a 7-figure cleaning business, not right now. The name of the game for you is just getting that first win, because it could be a momentum shift that could change your life. I mean that sincerely. See you over there.